that fucking truck.
Welcome back to the Ozone Shoe Lovers. Got another video to get done for you guys today. Nothing special this episode. We're just going to go through some old shoes and some shoes I pulled down. So it's going to be varied. I hope it focuses. There we go. This is just a normal pair of Converses. Bought these Converses maybe 25 plus years ago. I got these when I was in high school. Just found them again. Going through my goodies. I'm going to just get through this quick, guys. Give you a quick spin. Everybody knows the Chuck Taylor. This is retro Chuck Taylor. Like I said, about 25 to 28 years old. Can't remember what year I bought them. Still in good shape. I'm going to clean them up. Get them back into the collection with the Converses. Just like I said, classic. Blue, regular Chuck Taylor. Let's get on to the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys. Let's get a picture of our next shoe. I'm going to try to get it to focus again. Oh, there we go. This shoe is the Kyrie 6 TV, black, white, and white. Let's get it out of here. Lucky to find these. So I need to go through and get all my Kyrie sorted anyway. At least I found one more pair. Let's get it in the camera for you guys. So you guys know I like Kyrie's. Pretty good shoe. It's just a white and black variant, nothing special. So for a more laid back day, you don't want all those colors. Everybody who's seen my other Kyrie 6 videos know they were all colorful. This one, like I said, just base. Just base. We call these here the Oreos, cookies and milks, where I'm from, but that's neither here nor there in this sneaker video. Give you guys one more shot of the Kyrie eye. Should we ever find these shoes anywhere? Alright, let's get to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get to the last shoe. The shoe just came for me. I ordered it sometime, I don't know, in November. I finally got a chance to send it to me. It's worse than the Christmas shoes. They ruined all the Christmas shoes for me. I got them after Christmas due to the pushbacks. Probably the same thing as most of you guys. Let me try to get the box in there focused for you guys. This shoe is the Jordan Aerospace 720 red, gem red and black. Get it out the box, guys. I like the 720 platform, as most of you know. I like the 270 and the 720 platform. When they came out with them, they're just so comfortable. So much air. I like Jordan, so it's only right to get the Jordan 720s. I like the other ones, though. Can't remember what the other one was called. These are the Jordan Aerospace. I think the other one was Proto Max 720s. I like the Proto Max 720s better than these, so I'm just getting these now. I got these because they were on sale. Put it back so you guys can get it in camera. This is a big shoe. 720 platform, you guys know that means air. Hold this up, get the little 23 on the back. It's not a bad shoe as I look at it. Like I said, it's not as good as the Proto Maxes, but still a good shoe. You guys get some inside sole action. It's not a bad shoe. Not a bad shoe at all. Bottom action, same 720 bottom. I think this one might says a little bit more on there, a little 23 action. It says Air 720 on the bottom. Flip it over so you guys can see that. And I'll give you one more 360 of the shoe. That'll be the end of this video. This shoe's made of cloth as well, so it's gonna last. That's why I don't mind getting the 720s. I try to get some shoes that are not made out of leather, because leather doesn't last. The Converses I showed you, like I said, are 25 to 28 years old. Most Jordans won't last just sitting around for 25 to 28 years sitting in a box. So I try to get the Jordans that are made out of the other materials. And again, Nike, thanks for sending me the messed up box. They taped it up before they sent it to me. Instead of just giving me a pair with a good box, but that's alright. The shoe is still flawless. It's just a great shoe. Let you guys see that air bubble as I give farewell. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, guys. I'm going to keep going through these shoes. Let me know any shoes you want to see. Let me know how you feel about them constantly pushing back all the shoes that are coming out this year. I got some early shoes I could show you guys maybe later. I'm definitely trying to get my hands on them UNC Blues, Jordan 1s and 4s. We're going to see if we can hit, guys. Remember, like I said, comment, like, subscribe, and everybody stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!